So sorry. So we are going to cover 16 topics in the administration. So in these 16 topics, we are going to cover some subtopics. Yesterday we have created our Gmail account, and we have created Gmail account with our name and Salesforce, which will act as SEO when someone is searching for our when we go to LinkedIn, when someone is searching, we will appear in the top list so that recruiters will contact us easily. Now tomorrow, mostly in next session we will do for Naukri and Monster Trial Head. So in the 16 topics, you have to remember, total we are going to cover 104 topics. These are the main topics. Under these topics, subtopics are there. Those subtopics are 104. These 16 topics are divided into 104 subtopics. So first remember these 16 topics. What is mean by it, we have to understand. And why we are using, we have to understand. When we have to go to sub topics, that subtopics also we have to map in different way. So that mapping I am telling now. So in the first Salesforce project in IT company, we have divided that into project activities, teams, and meetings. If you understand these three, you can easily assume when we are teaching Salesforce, you can create, you can assume, you can do assumption how that is going to happen in real time. So you will apply your thought process here. You will link everything into real time. So for that reason only we are teaching the first topic as Salesforce project in IT company. And then second topic, we are covering what are the in Salesforce introduction, what is Salesforce services, what are front end, back end, business logic technologies. Salesforce is a full stack. We will have front end, back end, and business logic technologies in Salesforce. What are those technologies? Shivendu sir and madam will explain. Next, when you go to Salesforce Basics, where storage of data, where application is going to store, this we are going to explain. If you take software, how many kinds of data will be there? Online people, anyone knows? What are the different kinds of data in IT application? If somebody using IT application, software application, two kinds of data is available. What is that? Anybody has any idea? Aparna? Aparna? Can someone answer from online? Kinds of data available, offline people? Huh? That is about data, but when you stack in the storage point of view, two kinds of data will be there. Field form. Two kinds of data is there. When you say application, that application is built by whom? Software application is built by whom? Huh? Developers. You are going to build a software application, right? So that application, how it is going to store? Not where, how it is going to store? It is a file, right? So now I have opened this Microsoft PowerPoint. That is a file. In that file, whatever I write here, Salesforce Basics, storage, editions, releases, I have written some text here, right? I have written some text here. This text is data. Understanding? File is the PPT. Demo Swapna Salesforce updated is the file name. Yeah. Someone speaking? Any question or anything? So this you must have clarity. Many people miss clarity here. When something we are speaking, in that context you have to think. If I say particularly about data, That is a qualitative data, quantitative data. That is raw data, processed data. If I speak only about data, when you speak about storage, the storage will be for your file, your software application. It should be stored somewhere, right? When you created that application for a hospital, who will use that application? Hospital will use. Whose data they will enter in that application? Patient's data. So that is a data. File is our application. So in Salesforce, we will have separate storage for file and separate storage for data. That is called file space and data space. This file space and data space is stored in a region. Getting? It should be stored somewhere, right? That is a server. That is commonly we know as a technical person where it will store. It is a server. In Salesforce, we call server as instance. We don't call server in Salesforce, instance. So in region instances will be there, that we will go deeper in the session. Right now you understand this. Editions. Two kinds of editions are there. Free edition and paid edition. Which edition you are using? I am going from classroom. Unlimited edition, yesterday I said. Whenever somebody asks you what edition you are using, you have to tell unlimited edition only. That is paid edition. Free edition we use only for practice purpose. If you are in Amirpet, you will use free edition. If you are working, you will use unlimited edition. How many releases Salesforce does per year? 3 releases. Remember everybody? So these are the small things. You have to clear all the small topics. Small chunks we have divided. And while teaching as well, how we will teach? Let me show you how we will teach you. This is the development batch 2 we are teaching. So see this. First we teach development course topics. Then one by one we will teach you. Here for them today is the 63rd topic finished. We will give access for this. Like this for admin we will give access for 104 topics. Each and every topic is divided into small chunk. 100 kgs lifting is easy, 25 kilos, 425 lifting easy. I don't want to put 100 kilos on your head. Okay, anytime if you get any problem also divide it into small. You want to complete degree, directly degree final year you are writing, starting from nursery. So everything you have to divide into small chunks. So this plan we made from last batch. This plan will continue for you as well. But syllabus preparation we are doing for you first time. So you will be benefited so much. So why if you learn syllabus, half of your work is done. Completely you will have in mind. When you attend Saturday sessions, you will get idea, okay, from this you are going to get these questions. Those questions and answers you will be prepared. You will by heart it. Why to understand? Suddenly if somebody say, okay, we want some resources, we will send you. Try clearing interview. 100 companies, 1,000 companies are there to recruit in Salesforce. By the time we can go for interview and come back, nothing will happen. By luck, if you clear interview, your job will start. So like this you have to do. So that's why we are doing like this. Next topic is, what is next topic? Fourth topic. Salesforce CRM. In Salesforce CRM, we are going to cover Salesforce is a CRM. CRM means customer relationship management. Shivendu sir explained. So in the Salesforce CRM, there are different products. Those products are called clouds. As per your organization requirement, you will purchase that cloud. If you are a hospital, you will purchase health cloud. If you want to build some community means what? That is very famous in US. In India, that is not that much famous. Here, community means while political time only, they will come caste wide, they will give money, we will vote. They will give to highest person, president of that caste. He will not give any money to you. Their communities have a lot of importance in US. Here, no. They work for society. They work for a purpose. Here, they work for the family of the political leader. Basically, I am a politician. I said you all, but I don't do that kind of thing. Okay. So Salesforce products and clouds are there. Sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, health cloud, commerce cloud, B2B cloud, B2C cloud. Like this, there are so many clouds. So in interview, they will ask you in job description, they will mention you on which cloud they have requirement. So basically, Shivendu sir and madam will cover marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, and FSL. Okay, Shivendu sir might bring some new things. I don't know. He will explain what he will going to cover. So you will keep in your resume that sales cloud, service cloud, or something you will keep. So that as per that company requirement, we will go there and we will attempt interview. Oh, community cloud, I think madam will explain. I don't know. Okay, then there will be an architecture for the CRM. How this Salesforce CRM is built. When you say architecture means when you have some building, there is architecture for it. There are pillars, there is basement, and room structure is there. Where these rooms are built, how these rooms are built. When you go to this room, what facility should be there, how much this size. Like that only architecture means how this Salesforce CRM is built, how this is working. That which madam will explain. Shivendu sir will explain. Next, force.com. This is very, very important subject, force.com. Outside, nobody will teach. This, somebody, if they want to teach, they should have unlimited edition. They should be working. Then only they can show these environments. In free developer edition account, we don't. Because whenever you go to real time, you will not directly write code in client system. Client system means there are different environments. Production environment, developer environment, testing environment, user acceptance test environment. Like this, there are different environments and sandboxes. So madam and Shivendu sir will explain. For each environment, each sandbox, there is a refreshment intervals. And how we are moving code from one environment to other environment. As a developer, we develop code in the developer environment. And if you want to test, you will do in UAT environment. Once it is done, everything is done, user will test in user acceptance test, we call it. UAT sandbox we call. Then code will be moved to production. So they will ask, do you have any production data with you? They will ask in interview. What you will answer? We will not have production data in our environments. Because data security is very, very important. In India, Aadhaar details everybody knows. If I pay 10,000, they will give your details. In US, data security is most important. They will not reveal anything outside. In other countries, personal details, family details, health issues. Because if you are working for a hospital, other person should not know your health condition. There should be a security. If you are have bank account, other person should not know what is there in the bank account. How many bank accounts you have, you don't know. If you give accountant 5,000 rupees, all he will bring you. Your loans, everything he will keep in front of our eyes. In US, it is not like there is a lot of security. So it will be like that. Next is what? Data modeling. In the data modeling, we have to understand. Now we said Salesforce has different products, right? That product is nothing but a application. If you take Sales Cloud, that is sales application. How that application is built? What are the different objects in that application? What are the different tabs in that application? What are different fields in that application? What are different relationship between the objects and fields? All we have to understand. If you understand that, you will understand the functionality of entire Sales Cloud or Service Cloud or Marketing Cloud. When you go to your organization, first time you have to log in and you have to check your applications, objects, how the tabs are built, relationships are built, you have to check. That is your first task when you go to organization. When you go to any new house for rent, what you will check? I will check first, go to bathroom and I will check whether it is clean or not. That is the place nobody will come and check. Anything we can do. You will check kitchen. Ladies will check kitchen. Kitchen table is good or not. You will check bedroom, Dinesh. Definitely you will check, I know. Okay. Like this, everybody have their interest, but as a developer, we have to check everything. Not particular thing. If you have interest in some particular thing, you can go and do research. So everybody will have some expertise in some subject. Some people are very expertise in relationships. Immediately they will go to relationship and they will understand it. What relationships? What you are thinking? Salesforce relationships. Okay. Next, what is next? Data security or UI customization. UI customization, 7th one is, don't forget. In the UI customization, whenever you open some application, for example, I am opening ICICI Bank application. In ICICI Bank application, see here, what it is showing. I am in India. This layout is different. How it is showing? Different ways, right? Personal, if I click, what it is showing? Accounts, cards. If I go to accounts, it is showing different options here. Based on the layout, it will be displayed here. Internally, as a developer, as per client requirements, we have to decide which layout should be displayed to the user. It might be based on the location or based on requirement. If it is personal, layout should be different. See, if you click on personal, how it will showing? It is changing, right? This layout you will get. If it is corporate, see here, corporate banking, layout will change. See, corporate internet banking. Options should change. So here, dashboard, you can select by default. Whenever log into account, what it should show. All this facility we should provide to end user, client. So that option is layouts. And list views also similar to that. How we should display data in tabular format. So many options are there in list views. It is a big topic, list views. Layouts also big topic. And there are different record types. All these three are related somewhat. So noting down these topics. If you don't note down, no, you will not remember. Next, data security. In the data security, we have to understand users and licenses. Whenever you want to log into application, Gmail account, you should have username or not. When you want to log into LinkedIn, you should have username or not. Every software application, users concept is very, very important. And that user should have a license. Without license, user will not be there. Every user will have a license. Further, now inside application, it is at different levels. Remember these 4 levels: organization level, object level, field level, record level. These are the 4 different security levels in Salesforce. What are those? What is organization? What is object? What is field? What is record? How users are associated? How licenses are associated? And there different topics will come in data security. It is the most important topics and it is the most difficult topic in Salesforce. Difficult in the sense when compared to other topics. Every time in interview, you will have a question on data modeling and data security. 2 to 3 questions on data security and 2 to 3 questions on data modeling. Out of these 16 topics, these 2 topics are very, very important. If you understand these 2 topics, remaining are small topics only. Till now, whatever we discussed, till 6 topics. Till 5 topics, it is small. This is also a simple topic. It won't change frequently. Course.com. 4th topic, these are the basics. 6, 7, 8. These 3 are important topics. Next one is email templates. Whenever you are working on any organization, you need to use emails. Our entire life depends on emails only when you are entering into IT market. So there are different email templates. Text email, HTML, custom lightning emails. So I will copy from here, email template folder. And email templates. So first level, you remember 16 topics. Next level, subtopics. When you go inside subtopics, 1, 2, 3. In 3 levels, we have to remember. Otherwise, if you every time we keep 104 in mind, it is difficult. You have to, overall, you have to understand what should be there, what we have to learn. Then inside deeper. Email templates, how many are there? Email template folder and email templates. Next, queues. So here in the queues, these are very important. Queues, groups, automated transfer, assignment rules. 4 are important. Queues, groups, automated sharing, assignment rules, right? Automated transfer, not sharing. Assignment rules. These are the subtopics. Next, reports and dashboards. In reports and dashboards, there are different kinds of reports. In this, important is reports types, custom report, bucket fields, dashboard. Report types, custom report, report types, custom report, bucket fields, dashboard. For every organization, reports are very important. As a owner of a company, you must know what is happening in the organization. Every day I want to know how many students are attending classes, how many are doing assignments, how much money is coming every day. I should know at high level. And here we have different departments. Like front desk is there. Their duties are different. For them, there are separate reports. How many enquiries are coming? How many are interested in the course? How many are doing payments? That is their reports. And student coordinator, how many people attending the sessions for the practice? And how many are attending live session? What assignments they are doing? How they are performing? That is their duty. Next, assessment team is there. They have to keep exam for the people, those who are attending sessions. They have to give input to me. How many wrote exam and how many marks they got. Based on grading, placement they have to go. In the placement cell, who are toppers? Who are grade 1, who are grade 2, who are grade 3? They will say grade 1 people are this, send them to Madhapur. Place them. While preparing students, if they are doing anything, they will tell these students are not studying. So I will speak to them. In front desk, if there are some students are interested to learn, they will ask them to pay money. So like this, at every level, reports are important. Everyone must know report. Even you must know. How many posts you have to do? By the time you finish the course, 1000 posts you have to do. Every day, how many posts you are doing? What you are learning? How many hours you are spending on Salesforce? Everybody must know. This is report. If you don't know that, what we will understand? You will not understand anything. You are getting some 20,000 salary. You have to calculate, right? What are my expenditures? Based on that, you will spend or directly taking some 5 lakhs loan and spending all money, going everything for EM. And asking your friends every day, calling in the evening. They will not receive the calls after 10 days. They understood your financial situation. They have full report on you. If you receive his call, you will ask them 500 rupees. They will black you. So if you don't have report, we don't do anything. We cannot do anything. Every person in our life, they will have report. They understand it. Maybe some people have in their brain. A farmer will not write everything. He will have everything in his brain. How many hours we have to spend here? How much we have to pay for labor? For harvesting, what we have to do? How many bags we will get yield? Everything he will have calculation. But he will not write on book. Here small farmers, but in US, they will use helicopters to spray. Here only political leaders use helicopters. Their system is different. They will have 1,000 acres, 10,000 acres, farmers. Cattle farm, buffalo farms, they will have some 1,000, 2,000. Here one guy from KCR, that too we have to pay 30,000 to bribe to them. That Gede will give milk or not, we don't know. Here system is different, their system is different. Here we depend on political leaders most of the time. When election comes, everything they will tell everything we will do. Next day they will not see at your face as well. Next, reports and dashboard. Remembering, right? Next topic is automation. Here automation means when you are using software application to automate your business, only you use software application. When patient enter into hospital or when new customer enter into your premises, you have to enter their details manually. You will take their date of birth. In hospital, they won't send happy birthday like that. Because it might be his death day. We don't know. But if you are running some business, supermarket, you will take their date of birth. Some 100 people are having birth date on some today, November 3rd. System will automatically identify and they will send a message to them, happy birthday. That is automated. So like this, I gave small example. So like this, there should be scenarios, we need to automate things. When you order something from Amazon, everything is automated. They are getting notifications. When you do order from Amazon till delivery, there is an automated system. Okay. That automated system will make your life easy. It will make your business process smooth. So that is the automated system. There we have web to lead, web to case, workflows, process builder, approval process. What are there? Web to lead, web to case, process builder, workflow, approval process. These are the internal tools. So these three things are retired from Salesforce, but still they are using. If they completely remove, we should not touch it. But Madam and Shivendu sir will explain introduction how we are using. Just small, not much deeper into it. Maybe they will give some 1 or 2 scenarios for practice. Next one is what? Lightning flows. This is very, very important topic. There are different lightning flow types. And there is orchestration subject. Validation rules we covered in data modeling. Because you use formula fields, those things there. That's why we kept that in data modeling. Validation rules is the automated process, but moreover, it is related to data modeling. So in the lightning flows types, screen flow, record triggered flow. This you have to remember. Screen flow, record triggered flow, platform event, record triggered orchestration. Orchestration subject is difficult subject in this flows. Even I don't know how to pronounce it. Screen flow, record triggered flow, auto launched flow, scheduled flow, platform event triggered flow, record triggered orchestration. So Madam newly introduced this. For old batches, this subject is not there. Remember this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today you have to prepare post by yourself for this and post in LinkedIn. Tomorrow many posts will be there. Yesterday we posted 4. 4 to 16. How many are there? 4 to 16. How many? 4 to 16. 4, 5, 6 till 16. How many are there? 4 to 16 are 20. 12. 4 to 16, 12 posts you have to do today. Lunchbox you brought. Next topic is MBC Architecture. Model View Controller. Model View Controller. I don't know exactly what is this. Shivendu sir and madam will explain you. View Controller. Model View Controller. Next topic. What is next topic? Activity management. So there are different activities in Salesforce. These activities includes tasks, events, and calendars. Tasks, events, and calendars. Somebody is writing on my screen. Thank you. Come. I said Rajni to speak with you. You might need to go to Amada. Maybe from to Monday. Yesterday night, late message I sent to Chandana and Sumalata. Tasks, events, and calendars. 16th topic, what is it? Data management. Here in data management, you have to learn how to upload data, export data, import data, data import, data loader, data export, external ID, security token. Data import, data export. In middle, data loader is there. Data loader, external ID, security token. All of you, now we have got 16 main topics and we have divided into subtopics. For the subtopics, childs are there. 16 and 104 is confirmed. In middle, how many are there? We have to calculate. So our brain should go between 16 and 104. So this is what I want to explain today. So now we will go level by level. We have different teams, I said. In the level 1 technical training, Monday to Friday. Level 2 scenarios training. On Saturday, we will have hackathon full day. And level 3 project also on Saturday. Level 4 interview preparation. It will be every day. This is the system we follow. So if you anybody, your friends or anybody wants to enroll, you can contact these numbers. I don't know. Saturday morning 10 to evening 5. You have to come by 9:30.